Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, July 9, 2021. Yesterday, the markets were pretty volatile. We saw a sizable down gap, one of the largest down gaps we've seen in a long time. And after a little bit of two-way action early on in the session, it ended up rallying into the afternoon and closed well above its opening print, finishing with a green daily candlestick. But that gap down was sizable and ended up making the low of the week there right at the open, just after the open. It made a little bit lower low, but we made the lows of the week there early on, but finished with a green daily candlestick. Here in the overnight session, we have continued that afternoon rally and are trading higher. We are trading above yesterday's high at the time of this recording, and that's the type of price action that we're going to be looking at this morning to see what that has led to. So let me go ahead and set it up here in Discover. I'm going to select all four instruments. Setup is based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and it will exit at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. For the opening filters, I'm going to add that we are trading above yesterday's high. So from the opening areas here, I'm going to hit equals next to open above a prior day high. Then I'm going to go into the price pattern section. I'm going to add that information where we made the lowest low of the past 5 sessions. And I'm going to grab that from the active today section over here. I'm just going to click on day after lowest low of the past 5 days. And then near the top here, I'm going to say that the close was above the opening print. So we made that low, but we did finish with a green candlestick. So it's not like it made a low and closed at the low. It at least rallied to get back above the open there. And then lastly, I'm going to say that we are in a bull market environment. We finished above a 10-day simple moving average yesterday, as well as the 200-day simple moving average. So I've added both of those. Now I can click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. When you open above the prior day high, and the prior day made the lowest low of the past 5 days, but closed above its opening print for the session. This is taking place above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 29 samples here in the S&P, 27 in the NASDAQ, 30 in the Dow, but only 15 in the Russell. So it's not a pattern that has happened all that often. And the win rates on these are very mixed. They're coming in at 52% for the S&P. The NASDAQ is the weakest of the group at 41%. The Dow, 53%, and the Russell, 47%. So as a group, they're just a touch weak. None of them are strong, but the NASDAQ is a little weak here at 41%, being the weakest of the group. The average win and average loss on these has favored the average loss in 3 of the 4 instruments. So S&P has a larger average loss, as does the NASDAQ and the Dow. The Russell is the only one that has a larger average win. It is also the one with the smallest sample size. So this pattern has been a touch weak here historically. It's not super weak, but it has larger average losses here on average, and the win rates are neutral to weak. Now, I looked at a handful of other things, and honestly, I didn't see a lot of compelling studies to show you this morning. I saw a lot of stuff that was fairly mixed, a lot of stuff like this. So I didn't see anything that was super compelling to the long side or to the downside either this morning. But hopefully you found this helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.